How to fix can't join meeting in Google Meet. If you're having trouble joining a Google Meet meeting and getting the fail to join meeting error, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the best solutions to fix this issue step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak internet connection can prevent you from joining a Google Meet meeting. Restart your Wi-Fi router, or you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Next, make sure you're entering the correct meeting link or code. Make sure there are no typos. Ensure the meeting is still active and hasn't ended, and ask the host if the meeting link has changed. If everything is correct but you still can't join, move on to the next step. Just open the Google Meet app and make sure you logged in the correct Google account, as some meeting may be restricted to certain accounts. Some meetings require the host to approve your request to join. If you see waiting for the host to admit you, ask them to approve your request. If the host doesn't see your request, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Just press and hold the power button and tap restart. After restarting, try joining the meeting again. And that's how you fix the can't join meeting error in Google Meet.